students, how are you? I hope you are all fine. So yesterday in our last class we have discussed one minor discourse, that is invitation. Yes? In our today's class we are going to talk about another minor discourse, that is poster. So poster is nothing but it's a form of an advertisement. Invitation is a formal way of communication, whereas poster is nothing but it's an advertisement which is issued in the case of social problems or any events. So now coming to that, what is a poster? A poster is a formal means of communication which announces events, celebrations, competitions, inaugurations, etc. It will be used for calling a large number of people in the form of an advertisement. There are some techniques which we use to remember while writing a poster. So in a poster, the basic points must be covered and the complete information regarding a program or any event or any celebration must be mentioned in the poster, and clear and lucid. So the style which we use in the poster must be clear and it must be lucid. And the language which we use in a poster must be brevity language. That is, we should use a slogan type of language. So we have learned so many slogans. Save water, save earth. Yes? So like this we have to use slogan type of language in a poster. So these are all the techniques to be used while writing a poster, and it must be clear and concise. It must be clear and concise. All the details like date, time, venue, all must be mentioned in a poster. Now let us go to the format of writing a poster. See, so though poster does not have a prescribed format, let us follow this format. So name of the organization or office issuing the poster. So the organization which is going to give an advertisement, its name must be written at the top, and heading. So the suitable heading or caption must be mentioned after writing name of the organization, and next you have to write the quotations which are related to the advertisement. Suppose if it is regarding water, we can say conserve water, conserve life. Save water, save earth. So the quotations which are related to the advertisement or which are related to the given data must be written here. And in the middle of your poster, you must mention the details of the program or any inauguration or any celebration or any event, and by the sides, both the sides, on either sides you have to draw the relevant picture or image. So the main difference between an invitation and poster is that invitation is a formal way, whereas poster is an informal way which is communicated through pictures. It is a pictorial representation which can attract the people towards any event or any celebration. So here on either sides of this poster you should draw the relevant image or picture, and at the bottom you are going to mention the name of the person who is issuing the poster. So this is the format of writing a poster. So children, we will see the example of writing a poster down.